trying to instill, I want to be with my kids. I want to be in the kids' life. I want to have a family. But now you have women that said, I've been doing this by myself for a minute.
I don't need you.
I don't need you.
So we got to stop that.
So, but wait a minute.
How do we stop?
But wait a minute.
I stopped.
But wait a minute.
How did everybody
That
else?
smells good. Can we stop for a second and figure out what's going on over here, bro?
Just pause that 1 second. Pause that.
I smell lump crab.
I'm gonna show you something. But go ahead.
So we got the lobster. We got what's this right there? Cheese spread.
We're trying to have
That's salmon.
So this right here is smoked salmon. All right, so smoked salmon going in.
What was this you put in here?
I put in the langostino
Right.
lobster.
Can we taste this?
Not yet.
It's just smoked. Just let me get a peek.
Not
Smoked
yet.
salmon is a
You know that little girl that cooks, and y'all ever see her? She's like 2 years old, and she has what's her name? Y'all never seen her? She tastes everything.
All
It's
right,
so
so
Why you couldn't get me?
the cheese I put in has hot pepper, garlic, and herb.
Okay.
Cheese spread, okay? Mix that with the langostino lobster meat and the smoked salmon. And I'm also going to put in some crab meat as well.
Okay.
You have your phone.
Behind you.
This is a great cheese spread.
Yes.
It looks really
I'm
good.
Some more. That's
I'm going to go grab the wine.
But he just did. Where's the
What's
wine?
that
I'll grab
green
it.
one?
Where is it? Where is
What's
it?
that green?
Is that good? Is that wine? Ramesh, where is it? I get it.
What?
The wine.
It's pretty good. Do you like sweet wine or wine?
Is that dry?
Kind of sort of.
What's on the drier side?
Yeah.
I'll just have some more sangria.
Sangria.
I would have my shoes on.
All right.
But
I have
yeah.
not drank this many
But yeah,
glasses of
that's
wine.
Okay, so finish. I'm sorry. We
So
had
now,
to get into
so
the
now
thing
you
that we
have
were
that
with.
where the women are saying, hey, we've been holding it down this long. We don't need you. So where the man is like, look, I want to be there for you. You talking about you want a man in your life that's going to protect you. But yet, you saying you don't need protecting and independent. So that's the conundrum is you want it, but then you don't want it.
Right, because you don't want to be like
making
the.
stuff up.
You don't want to be like the girl.
Sometimes I really think y'all be making stuff up, and I'm saying this because I'm part of a lot of groups, and I've been around a lot of women, and I've been around a lot of men.
Okay.
Now, if we took a consensus at this table right now, who did not have that attitude, all of us would say, no, I don't feel that way.
Put this topic in a group, and you will see the consensus. I have had this, but I've had it.
It's not
And
this
that's
widespread. There are women out here that are literally begging men to step up. So that's why I'm not buying.
No. Begging a man to step up. Begging a man to step up is
I
different from saying that I am independent. It is different. It's a difference. I was very independent, but I wanted a man to step up.
Well, you should be independent. Listen, what I'm saying is there are a lot of women. Most black women are literally saying, yes, we need you. That's why I'm thinking that y'all making stuff up.
Okay,
let
me address all of that. Let me address all of that as a black man.
Every man.
Hold it.
Okay, I want to hear what he got to say.
I want to hear what he
got to say.
As a black man who dates women, black women specifically, okay, there is a divide. It's called a proverbial wall, okay? And there's some women that start in their late 20s to early 30s, and they be like, yeah, well, I can do everything myself, and blah 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 blah. And they show their tail, and they be like, yeah, I can get any man I want, and they say I got options until they get to a certain level in life where they look all their accomplishments, well, degrees, and I don't knock it. Get your degree. Make your own companies. Do all that. You got your children, all that. But then that's that one element that's missing.
Yeah.
And they realize that they gotta humble themselves because they're not once at the mountaintop where they used to be.
Bam.
And that's after a certain age. That's why I would say, I guess I'm looking at women my age.
Your age, but under 40?
Yeah. I'm 45.
Under that 40?
You don't look your bitch, you look good.
See that?
Under that 40?
No, but that's what I'm trying to tell you.
Gentlemen, we're sorry about the foul language.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
A lot of women
I'm a
have not
millennial,
come
so
into that level, the degree to say, you know what, I can have all of this
You might have to
entertaining
edit
on
that out,
my
'cause the
own,
boobs make
but
it
it's
count.
so much better when I have a man to
By
build it
accident,
with.
was she lifting up her hand?
So now,
Well, I guess because women now, and I
Yeah, I don't
love
want all
them.
my goodies
I'm just-
out there.
I love this new generation of women. I'm not even gonna cap. I love this new generation of women.
What happened? Well, that
Because
might,
they
that,
not putting up with
that
all
shit is
that
a flash.
They not
Just one
doing
more
it.
flash, you get a.
I can't help it.
They are
My
so
shit is perfect.
comfortable in
It sits up on the
their
phone.
They
They
say
not
that.
they not putting up with. They saying, nah, we don't want a whole bunch of kids. You get what I'm saying? I'm seeing so many women younger than me, much younger than me, the new generation. They like, nah, we don't want kids. We don't want this.
And we're
We're not putting up with this. I'm not dealing with this toxic stuff. I'm not dealing with that. Self-love. I love it.
Yeah.
I
You know
love
what?
this
I love it.
generation.
That's
But
I love
it's
them.
good, but it's,
you know what? That's good for a time.
yeah.
And I'm gonna tell you
It's
something.
good.
No.
How
I'm
can
explaining to
loving yourself,
It's not
not
about that.
dealing with toxic situations, how
How can that ever
can
be a bad
how
thing?
can
No,
that
it's-
ever be a
it's-
bad thing?
It's not.
It's
okay.
nothing
But wait,
wrong
but
with it.
wait,
It's
but if
nothing
you
wrong with
if you
that.
constantly talking about it,
Yup.
it's gonna happen.
Thank you. That's number
I
one.
mean, I agree that sometimes when you talk about stuff, you manifest, you put it in the atmosphere. But these women are just.
But I don't think it's
No,
it's
honey,
manifesting
okay,
put in the
so
atmosphere. I
I'm
think
a-
if you constantly talk about it, you're gonna analyze something to be that way all the time and not take the good with the bad. It's always gonna be, I'm gonna take this person and I'm gonna find what's wrong with them so I don't have to deal with it. Versus
Thank
taking
you.
the good.
What he's saying. It is,
Self-sabotage
and we, you're
relationship, all right there.
exactly. We self-sabotage things because we again, loving all of that. You are supposed to do that, but at the same time, that is also a defense mechanism. It is a wall that people use to.
Because they've seen, right?
They've
And
seen.
they've seen it, not just seen, but they've heard our story.
Right. That's
So
what
So
I'm
they're
saying.
already tainted.
If you're doing the same thing over and over
the
again,
definition of
it's
insanity.
the
It
definition.
is.
So if they've seen their mamas get hit upside the head, they've
That's a
seen.
whole
They've
that's-
seen what
that's
toxic
different.
looks like.
Yeah.
They've seen what it looks like to have a sister on the other side of the town where the dad was doing this. They've seen their mamas
yeah.
cry. They've seen these things. Why would they repeat that?
No, I agree with you.
I agree with that.
I'm not. See, you're talking about two different things.
Yeah, you're
Okay.
talking about
And
two
they've
different
seen the
things.
good. The ones
Okay.
that've seen the good
Okay.
seem to be. The ones that've seen the good are doomed to repeat that as well.
Well, sometimes yes, and sometimes no.
It's the right amount of spice.
Okay.
This is
I've come in
excellent.
contact.
Excellent.
Oh, I put my.
Where's Dan?
Can I?
I was going to say, do we have a?
I'm sorry. I put it in the same.
Yeah.
This is excellent.
I wasn't thinking.
I need some crackers.
Thank you.
This is a wonderful dip with some crackers and some French bread. What is it?
Thank
French
you,
bread,
sir.
baguettes.
Okay, there you go.
See, this is real
The
good.
problem that you're having now
So good.
Tristan.
goes back to what I'm talking about. This is good.
Olive oil and black pepper.
Everyone can eat talk at the same time.
This is good.
Good.
No one can talk at the same time.
So,
All right. So
Oh, this is really good.
what you're tasting right now is the filling for the lobster egg rolls. Okay.
I love it.
Yeah,
I like that.
So it's a little bit. So you now have the bourbon sweet potato pie. You're tasting the filling for the lobster egg rolls now. And as soon as that timer goes off, you get to taste the yams.
Listen, this got a good kick to it. Wait a minute.
Is everything okay?
No, she's not.
What happened? Is it going up?
Did you drink too much?
Yes.
Look, I'm about to drink too much.
I'm gonna,
Let me see.
I'm gonna need interviews.
Y'all make me want to put this down. I had 3 glasses. I hope I won't be like that.
No, Danny was drinking before she got
Can y'all get her a glass of water, please?
A moment.
No,
She threw up all over the place.
well, we're on camera.
I was
We're
going
on
to say, just
camera.
let it go.
I'll edit this
She's
out.
gonna edit it out anyway.
She's gonna, she's fine.
Okay, this is really good.
You know
I
what?
can take some more.
Egg rolls, huh?
Yeah, I was thinking that.
I can-
You don't want yours?
This is a great dip.
You don't like it?
This is a great dip that you can eat with crackers, baguettes.
Now, if you want to do it,
I mean baguette.
if you want to do a dip, Add cream cheese.
Add cream cheese instead of the butter?
Yeah.
Or add butter with it?
No, add cream cheese with it.
Oh yeah. I don't need no more fat and calories. This is excellent. Where did you get this cheese?
So it makes it easier
I was gonna say, it looks like the brand I've seen in Giant.
Sadly, I
No,
wish
I
I
put
would.
Amish markets actually.
Okay.
And where'd you
Yeah, I
get the
saw
cheese?
that.
The Amish market does have really, really good cheese.
No, honey. You have to
Okay, I was just
wash
asking.
your
The
hands.
Amish market does have really, really good cheeses. Cause is the Amish market in Germantown still open?
Yeah.
Okay.
Takes my strength to stay up out of there. I'm
When
right
you
around
go
the
the next
corner.
time, can you give me this cheese bread? Cause I ain't going to Germantown.
Well, you have to tell me what it is, too.
Okay.
All right. This is gonna take a little while.
This verse.
Okay, so let's get off of that because that was a little bit too deep.
And a little what?
Yeah, so let's go to something.
I get to.
Oh, I have a question, guys.
What's the question?
Do you guys decorate your house and your tree, put up your tree before Thanksgiving or after?
I don't even do it anymore.
Okay.
I
What do you
put it
do?
up
I cleaned up my front room yesterday and pulled out the decorations. Baby, I'm ready.
Are you ready? You ready?
I was
It's
just about
it's the
to.
thing that gets me
It gets you in the
excited
holiday
and
mood?
into the mood and into
Okay.
the spirit.
That's awesome.
It's out now.
I don't think I'm gonna put up a tree this
Okay,
year. I
so
don't
back
think
to
I'm
that.
gonna.
So what's the difference? How come we don't feel Thanksgiving is like a time with Christmas? Like, yeah. But why?
I don't know.
Oh no, it's different.
Thanksgiving.
Like I could do without Thanksgiving.
Like growing up.
So you ready to just skip right over, go to Halloween, skip Thanksgiving, and go to Christmas?
I mean, I wouldn't necessarily say skip Thanksgiving, even growing up. Like you said, you had the whole family around, you did the whole cooking thing. I saw people I didn't see for a little while. I was good with
Sure,
that.
you doing
And
your
then
thing, so.
next, it's
Yes.
like, I don't necessarily know how to explain it, but it's just the whole Christmas spirit. Literally,
you
the
said
day
chill.
of Thanksgiving,
Yeah.
the day after.
And why
that's
is with the
when
water?
it
So
kicks
that they keep
in.
them together.
So what
That's the
about
last seal it.
Okay. So okay, I'm gonna touch on this. It's a little bit religious, but it's
There you
not.
go. There you go, Chef.
Do you
Good job.
guys? Oh, this is
Nice.
So this
beautiful.
is an egg roll.
Are we
That's a
baking it or
big
frying
roll.
it?
We deep frying this.
So
Okay.
you could actually do like a fried wonton too, like if you did a smaller version of it, right?
Yep.
So do you guys is Christmas for you more of family or is it more of
Say that again.
well, okay, hold on. To me, Christmas is now is more commercialized.